0950 bound for Manila. Please be advised that the aircraft that will be used for flight will arrive here in Zamboanga at 6:43
Ganda ng kumain ni Sisi.
We will request all the passengers to please stay inside the pre-departure area and wait for further announcement.
Departure na daw tayo.
Call for checking. We're calling your remaining passengers of the Airlines of flight PR2950.
36 centimeters, 1.3 centimeters, captions. Passengers staying more than the LOPs, weight and size shall be charged with a baggage fee. Sa aming minamahal na Cebu Pacific guests, isang maalala lamang na bawat pasahero ay maaari lamang magdala ng isang uncarry baggage sa loob ng aeroplano. Ang itanito ay hindi ang katigang aircraft speaking at 56 centimeters, 36 centimeters, 1.3 centimeters. Ang mga pasaherong pang-travel mahigit sa takdang bilang, bigat at sukat ng uncarry baggage ay kinakailangan ng bayad.
Ay, tulugan. Together with this girl. Ang ganda ko dyan. Zamboanga Airport.
Lagi dito na. Isa mo po ang
Seat number? Wala'y tulog, kuya. Galing sa biyahe. Ang layo-layo ng pinanggalingan. My friend.